Portland Winter Light Festival kicks off tonight, folks. More than 160 bright and colorful art installations will light up the Rose City, showcasing the work of talented artists across the PNW. And right now, we have one of them with us in the studio today. Marcel Marias is the founder and creator of Luna Glow. Marcel, thank you so much for coming on today.
Thank you for having me.
So tell me, what is Luna Glow?
So Luna Glow is my light art company. I started it quite a few years ago when I wanted to formalize my video projection art, and I started making sculptures.
Okay.
And didn't kick it into high gear for my light sculptures until COVID hit, and I wanted to make things that people can hang on their wall, emanating light, elevating their moods, things like that.
Really
But
cool.
Also, I do video projection art.
Okay.
So Luna Glow also is the same company for that. And I just love to entertain people with especially interactive video projection art, and that's what I'm bringing to Portland.
Wonderful. Well, you walked right into my next question, which is what displays from Luna Glow will be available at the PDX Winter Light Festival?
So I have two installations. One is called Kineticolor, and that's going to be at the World Trade Center on the Skybridge level.
Cool.
Starting tonight. 6 to 10. And then right across the street on First Avenue, I have my brand new piece, which is there are 8 fluorescent plastic sea/space creatures that are lit with super high power UV lights, so black lights, and they glow. And then I put a video projection background.
Nice.
Yeah, so
Very
two pieces.
wicked.
Yeah.
Two different pieces. And how do you make your projection light pieces? Like, what comes into your mind when you go, oh, I've got to make that, and how do you bring it to life?
Well, yeah, that's a tough question. For Kineticolor, it was actually a non-kinetic piece that I built for a winter festival in Redmond, Washington. And then my brain's like, well, let's make it a little bit more difficult. Let's put motors. Let's motorize the snowflake pieces. So I went ahead and did that, and now it's interactive with the motion of your hands. You walk up to it and wave your hand, and the actual physical pieces turn with the video projection as well. So you control both video and motors with your hand.
That's so unique. And with 160 different pieces going on for this PDX Winter Light Show, how does it feel to be a part of that big of an artist community for something in the streets of Portland?
Well, the fact that Portland has such an amazing support for light and video art humbles me. I mean, it's super cool to be a part of it. This is my second year. The organizers are incredible. Last year was just amazing. Put me up in a nice hotel. And
Ooh, very nice.
So yeah, it's super cool to see that there are so many amazing artists displaying light art, and it makes sense up in the Pacific Northwest to be able to elevate people's moods during the darkest months of the year, and happy to be a part of it. And
what is the future for the art that you create? What do you see happening after the PDX Winter Light Festival?
I will continue to do probably the festival circuit in the Pacific Northwest to do music fests, but my big thing is I also make electronic music, so I will develop a full audiovisual set that includes synchronized video, hardware music, hardware-based music, and you know, a lot of fun, a lot of projections, some lasers maybe. You know. Some
lasers maybe, you know. Well, to learn more about Marcel's work, make sure you visit lunaglow.com and check out his light installations over at the World Trade Center in downtown Portland. Marcel, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much, Ellie.
Great to have you. And a reminder that the Portland Winter Light Festival begins tonight, folks. It runs through Saturday, February 10th, with several locations through the downtown area and inner southeast. If you want more information, visit their website at pdxwlf.com.